How to fix Doordash login error. The first thing that you should do when encountering a Doordash login error is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. If your internet connection is working fine, then the next thing to do is to check your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email address and password to log into your Doordash account. If the above steps don't work, then you should check whether the app is up to date or not. For that, go to Play Store, search for Doordash, and there if you see the update option, go ahead and update your Doordash app. You can also try uninstalling the Doordash app and then installing it again. This may solve your issue, but if it did not, then the next thing you can try is logging into your Doordash account through a browser. Open your browser and go to doordash.com. Then try signing in. And finally, if you have tried all of the above steps and are still encountering the Doordash login error, then the next step is to contact the Doordash customer support. So there you have it. These are the steps that you can take to troubleshoot and fix the Doordash login error. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.